Welcome back. I'm here doing another piercing. Today I'm gonna pierce my conch. So right here, I'm showing all the things that I'm gonna use and my jewelry. My needle, I'm using a 14 gauge needle. Ready to go. Oh, I forgot one thing. I had to get a marker to mark my spot where I want to put my piercing. But first, washing my hands. Sorry if you can hear noise in the background, that's my dishwasher. Currently washing dishes. Excuse the missing tooth as well. Drying my hands with a clean towel. And right here, I'm going to try to mark my spot, but no gloves. I'm saying no gloves. But yeah, the marker I had was dried up, so I had to get another marker, and you'll see that here in a second. As you can see, my marker is not marking. I tried to bang it a couple of times to see if it would jiggle some ink loose, but it didn't. So in a second here, you're gonna see me go, like I said, and grab another marker. So I'm marking my spot now. And I'm just getting in there to make sure I can actually see what I'm doing. And this piercing, for me, the pain rate was a 3 out of 10. It didn't really hurt. So as you see there, I just let you see that I marked it. And now I'm opening my needle. And in a second, I'm gonna show you that it's out the package and ready to go. Here we go. And my heart was racing and my adrenaline was pumping. That's why you see me do that crazy face. And for reference, I didn't show the Vaseline, but I did put Vaseline on the tip of my needle so it could go through easier. And here we go. I'm gonna pierce it now. But you will see in a few minutes that I take the piercing out, and I will show you with my hands because that I was trying to do the video silent. But I'm just gonna do a voiceover. And I was showing you that I was going at an angle instead of straight in, so I took it out and put it back in to straighten it out. And you'll see that here in a second. And I'm gonna show you right here that the needle's in there, and I'll about to come through. And here is where you're gonna see me take it out and put it back in. Just a little uncomfortable, that's why I'm making that face. And then I wasn't sure if I was going straight or not. That's why I'm looking confused right now. And once I realized I was going crooked, I pulled it out, cleaned it, and went back in. You're gonna see it here in a second. So here it is where I took it out. And yeah, I was a little hot. So I'm gonna show you, I was going in crooked instead of straight. So you're gonna see my hand gesture in just a second. And if you're wondering, I do all my piercings at home. And the only piercing that I got a bump on is that helix piercing you can see. Oh, I cleaned it with alcohol, so that's why I was like burning like that. These videos are very hard to do, and I'm trying to keep them rolling. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm going in crooked instead of straight. We're gonna go back in again with the needle and some Vaseline. Right here is where I clean it. And we're gonna go back in with that Vaseline needle. And we're gonna get more straight. But I was trying to explain that I'm trying to get these videos rolling so I can try to build up the subscription on my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in more piercing videos, you can watch my channel, like this video for more. Comment below also other content you would like to see. Okay, here is where you can see that I'm pushing it all the way through. And there you go, all the way through. And now looking at it, I did pierce it a little close to my outer ear there, but it's not uncomfortable. Now I'm putting my jewelry in the needle so I could push it back through. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm trying to keep the voice going so you don't hear the background noise, but yes, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me know what content you would like to see on my channel. I do hair and makeup and nails and DIYs and things like that. So here is where I pulled the jewelry through, took the needle out, and fought to put the ball on my jewelry. So you're gonna see here that it takes me a little bit to get it in. But what I like about this jewelry is it's where the threading is inside the jewelry instead of outside the jewelry, so that's a lot more comfortable for me. So that's what I like to wear. But yeah, here I am trying to fight to get the ball on. It was driving me crazy to try and get that ball on. But eventually I get it. And I'm gonna insert some cute little pictures and videos at the end. You can follow all my social media. I will link them below if I can figure that out. I'm still learning this whole YouTube thing, so bear with me. I will get better. I'm gonna clean it now because I got it on. I just cleaned it with some piercing aftercare. Oof, girl, you got some grays on the top of your head. I got some grays. But here I'm cleaning it with the aftercare, and then you'll see that at the end I'm just basically saying with my hands, because I was trying to make this a silent video, but I felt like I wasn't doing it right. So I'm doing a voiceover. But you're gonna see here in a minute that I'm like basically waving my hands around to say like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm all done. Like and give it a thumbs up if you like the piercing. If you enjoyed this video, please come back. Thank you. Here are some cute videos.